It's another day, and then we have series of unboxing to check out today. Let's start from the smallest one in the package. We'll start with this one, and the reason why I got it. So quick charge, I realized I have like 33 watts fast charging. That's the highest I have. So I decided to get something a little bit more, 65 watt charging. You can see it has multiple options. I like options. It is kind of handy. I don't know. I'll test it out to know whether it's able to deliver all this capacity. But I think it looks huge enough. And let's see all the protocols. There is power delivery also inside of it. There is power delivery. You can see it. Next to it is this one. What exactly is this one and why did I need it? Okay. So it's my LED bulb. It comes with remotes. I have a lot of these remotes. So that's the bulb you're seeing on the back there. You're wondering what the bulb does. You're seeing on the back there, the one that reflects different colors. These are the different colors that it can bring. Then the final one is the weight. There's an electronic kitchen scale. I wanted to, improve the content that I make to be able to weigh things. So let's open this one. I need to add it to integrate into my content creation to be able to give you detail. Okay, 2 AA batteries, the light one, the two AA batteries, and quickly. So these are some of the things that it needs to work. So those are the things. So from time to time, you always get a need for something that you used to work in the tech world. It doesn't end. You order this, you need to get this, you need to improve this, you need to upgrade this, and it goes on like that. So let me quickly check this bulb before you, and then let's see how it operates. So I'm going to move back a bit. If you can see me, I'm going to remove this one. And then I'm going to try to put this one. Let's see. Good. Wow. This one is kind of crazy. This one is dramatic. So let me try to tame it down. It has a remote control that you can use to control almost everything. So, this. Yeah. I think this one is brighter. I think that one is like 10 watts. So it's a little bit brighter than the one I have. So yeah, I might use it in another angle area. I use this one in another area. I think this one is around 5 watts or thereabout. I think that one is 10 watts. So that's it for this quick unboxing. Let me know other things you want me to check out or buy or test or play around with and in the comment section. So thank you for the views. Thank you for the support. If you have not subscribed, please want to click on that subscribe button. If you are not yet a member, click on that join. It's in the description. Click on it to join, and with your support we keep getting things, we keep improving, we keep trying to get better and better. So thank you for all the support for all our members. Thank you so much. If you haven't joined, please join our membership and then get a lot of early access, behind the scenes and other things, or even requests for videos. So yeah, until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.